Verify Green's theorem in the plane for integral over the curve C x square plus y square into dx plus 3x square y into dy, where C is the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 4, traced in a positive sense. Traced in a positive sense. Now, first we draw a graph for the circle. First, we draw a graph for the circle. Yes, this is your x-axis and this is your y. So here radius they have given 4, means r square. So r square means r value is 2. I will write the radius here minus 2, and this is the circle for x square plus y square is equal to 4. Now first we have to write the formula for the Green's theorem, that is integral over the curve C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over the region R dou n divided by dou x minus dou m divided by dou y whole into dx into dy. This is the Green's theorem. So they have given the equation in the question, that is LHS part, integral over the curve C. What is that? X square plus y square into dx plus 3x square y into dy. So here when they give the equation of the circle, the limit also varies from theta. Theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi. So what we have to take, the parametric equation we have to choose. The parametric equation of the given circle is, what is the parametric equation? X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. This is the parametric equation of the circle. But here our r value, as I told, x square plus y square is equal to r square. So here 2 cos theta, y is equal to 2 sin theta. As I told, theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. This is the condition. Now LHS is equal to integral over the curve theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. In this equation we have to substitute x value, y value, dx value and dy value. Here only we can find out the x with respect to theta, differentiation. Dx is equal to minus 2 sin theta into d theta. Here dy is equal to 2 cos theta into d theta. So I will substitute in this, I just call this one as equation 1. I substitute x, y, dx, dy value in the equation 1. So x square means 2, x value is 2 cos theta. X square means 4 cos square theta plus y square means 4 sin square theta. Dx value is minus 2 sin theta into d theta plus 3 into again x square means 4 cos square theta. Y value is into 2 sin theta and dy value is 2 cos theta into d theta. Again here integral over the curve C means theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. I will take 4 outside. So cos square plus sin square theta, we all know it is 1. Again minus 2 sin theta d theta. Here plus 3 2s 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 2s are 48. So again we get here cos square into cos theta means cos cube theta sin theta into d theta. Again theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi minus 8 sin theta into d theta. Here I break the integral individually. 0 to 2 pi cos cube theta sin theta into d theta. Here minus 8 I will write outside. Integration of sin theta is minus cos theta. Limit varies from theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi plus 48 into. Here I just write put t is equal to cos theta. dt is equal to minus cos theta, differentiation is minus sin theta into d theta. Again here if theta is equal to 0, t is equal to cos 0 value is 1. Again if theta is equal to 2 pi, that is again cos 2 pi value is 1. So here we can write t varies from 1 to 1. T varies from 1 to 1 because cos 0 value is 1, cos 2 pi value is also 1. So here I will write in the place of cos theta t. So we have cos cube theta. Again sin theta d theta means minus dt. Now minus into minus plus 8. Again cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi minus cos 0 plus 48 into minus t power 4 divided by 4 integration. T varies from 1 to 1 because integration of t cube is t power 4 by 4. So as we all know 8 into here cos 2 pi value is 1 minus cos 0 value is also 1 plus 48 by 4 here minus I will write again 1 minus 1. So LHS we get is 0. Here you can write because cos 2 pi is 1 and also cos 0 is equal to 1. For the RHS side, that is in the RHS, before starting the RHS, what we have to write now? If in the RHS we want dou n by dou x and dou m by dou y. So we have to first mention what is our m and what is our n. M is equal to x square y square, x square plus y square. N is equal to 3x square. Now according to the right side formula, we want m with respect to y partially. So what is the differentiation of m with respect to y partially? It is a differentiation of m with respect to y partially.
Two y.
Yes, 2y. Next, n with respect to x partially. N with respect to yes, very good. 6xy. Now, after finding these two, we have to substitute in the equation. That is dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So here our dou n by dou x value is 6xy minus dou m by dou y value is 2y. Apply the double integral both sides. So dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y whole into dx into dy. So here double integral So we can write the changing the order of integration here. 6xy minus 2y. Here I can write by using the properties of the changing the order of the integration, that is dy into dx. Here I can write x value varies from minus 2 to 2. Y value is minus 4 root 4 minus x square. How? X square plus y square is equal to 4 according to the question. So we want y limit. So y square is equal to 4 minus x square. Apply the square root on both sides. Y is equal to plus or minus root of 4 minus x square. So I just write minus root of 4 minus x square. Here plus root of 4 minus x square. Now first with respect to y. First with respect to y we have to do the integration. X is equal to minus 2 to 2. 6x difference integration of y is y square by 2 minus 2 into again integration of y is y square by 2. Here y varies from minus root of 4 minus x square. Here root of 4 minus x square. Here I will write dx as it is. That is equal to x is equal to minus 2 to 2. Here 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 3x. Now I will just substitute the upper lower limit for the y square. So as it is a root and square will get cancelled. Here it remains 4 minus x square for the upper limit. For the lower limit I write minus. So minus root of 4 minus x square whole square. Minus into minus it will become plus here. Again root of 4 minus x square means it whole square when we do it remains 4 minus x square. This is the first term. Minus 2 will get cancelled. Again whole square means 4 minus x square minus of root of minus x square. 4 minus x square is 4 minus x square because square and square root will get cancelled into dx. Put a bracket here into dx. So x is equal to minus 2 to 2. 3x I will write as it is. 4 will get cancelled. Remaining will be minus into minus plus. Here also plus x square. So it will become 0. Minus 4 plus 4 minus x square plus x square. These two will also get cancelled. Whole into dx. That is equal to 0 is the answer. Here employ or verify both are same. So Green's theorem in a plane to show that the area enclosed by a plane curve C is 1 by 2 integral over the curve C x dy minus y dx, and hence find the area of the ellipse. Find the area of the ellipse. Ellipse equation x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is a question paper problem, and also same question they have asked in the assignment also. That is, you can see assignment number 16. There, question paper, they won't mention this curve. They just ask, verify the Green's theorem for the area of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. But at that time, we have to write this curve by ourselves. We have to write this curve by ourselves. This is the area of the plane curve. So keep it in your mind. If they not give this curve, we have to write, because area enclosed by a plane curve. This is the equation of the curve. Yes, write the solution by Green's theorem. By Green's theorem, write the Green's theorem. Integral over the curve C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over the region R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx into dy. Call this one as a equation 1. So again, here already they have mentioned the area of the area enclosed by a plane curve. Mention that area enclosed by a plane curve is this. Already we have studied in the first semester that area, volume, double and triple integration, applications of area, volume and the surface. There we have studied this formula. Same formula you are going to use here, that is double integral over the region R dx into dy. So now already they have mentioned the curve here. So I will take directly m and n. So our m value, m is always ends with the dx. So m value, which sign we have to write? Minus y by 2. N value is x by 2. See, in the question paper they won't mention this curve. You have to write this curve by yourself. Again, here we want dou n by dou x and dou m by dou y. So n with respect to x means 1 by 2. M with respect to y means minus 1 by 2. So use the formula dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. So hence equation 1 becomes 1 by 2 over the integral curve C x dy minus y dx is equal to double time integration over the region R. In the place of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, we can write 1 into dx into dy. This is the area. Now we have to find the area of the ellipse. To find the area of the ellipse, we have again here also x is equal to a cos theta, parametric equation y is equal to b sin theta. So again theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. So dx is equal to minus a sin theta d theta. Dy is equal to b into cos theta into d theta. Now we substitute in the LHS side. So 1 by 2 integral theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. X value is a cos theta. Dy value is b cos theta into d theta minus y value is b sin theta. Dx value is minus a into sin theta into d theta. Again, integral limit varies from theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Here a, b, I will take common from both the term. So it remains here cos square theta minus into minus plus sin square theta into d theta. We all know cos square plus sin square theta is 1. So remains AB integral theta is equal to 0 to pi 1 into d theta. Integration of 1 with respect to theta. Integration of 1 with respect to theta is theta. So theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Substitute here upper limit a into 2 pi. So we get 2 pi AB. Here I left 1 by 2 here. Wait a minute. Here mention 1 by 2. Here also divided by 2. Divided by 2 because I left here 1 by 2 as it is. Here 2 pi AB divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled. I write the solution here. 2 will get cancelled. So remaining pi AB square units. Pi AB square units because here 1 by 2 theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Then again cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So AB divided by 2. Again integration 1 with respect to theta is theta. Limit varies from 0 to 2 pi. So AB into 2 pi divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Remaining will be pi AB. As they ask the area, so we have to write square units. Area is square units. Find the area of the asteroid x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta by Green's theorem. So again we all know the shape of the asteroid, ellipse and parabola. Already we have studied the diagram of particular term. So I just write this is the diagram of the asteroid. So as they have given x is equal to a cos cube theta, so I write here a comma 0, here 0 comma a, here 0 comma minus a and here minus a comma 0. So here we start the solution. Total area A is equal to 4 into area in the first quadrant, 4 times of area in the first quadrant. Okay, then here area of the single quadrant, that is again we have to use the same equation. 1 by 2 integral over the curve C x dy minus y dx, x dy minus y dx. Now x value already they have given in the question, a cos cube theta, y value is b sin cube theta. Now we have to find out the necessary terms. So what are the necessary terms here? Dx is equal to 3a into cos square theta. Again cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta into d theta. Again here dy is equal to 3b sin square theta. Differentiation is cos theta into d theta. Here we have mentioned the area of the first quadrant. So theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. So I write here 2 ones are 2 twos are. So theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. X value is a cos cube theta. Dy is 3b sin square theta into cos theta into d theta minus a sin cube theta, that is y value, dx value, here we are substituting, dx value is 3a cos square theta into minus sin theta into d theta. Now 2 into, I just write outside a square again here. So wait a minute, here I missed. Y is equal to a sin cube theta. Make a correction here. Y is equal to a sin cube theta. So here a into a square, here also a into a square. So I will take a square as a common term from both the side, and also 3. You can find and also 3. So into 3. So theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Cos cube theta into cos theta means cos power 4 theta into sin square theta, minus into minus plus sin power 4 theta into cos square theta whole into d theta. So here 6a square integral limit varies from 0 to pi by 2. Here first I will take, in the first term I just take cos square theta and also sin square theta as a common term from both the terms. So if I take cos square theta, sin square theta, first term remaining cos square theta, second term sin square theta will become into d theta. 6a square theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta sin square theta we write as it is, and cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Now again we have to apply here properties of the integration, that is even and odd property. So 6a square I will write as it is. First I write here formula. Integral limit varies from 0 to pi by 2 cos m theta sin n theta d theta is equal to, first I will write m minus 1, m minus 2, so on. Again n minus 1, n minus 2, so on. Whole divided by m plus n. Again m plus n minus 2. Like that m plus n minus 4, so on. If it is even, then we have to write, with this we have to write into pi by 2. If it is even, we have to write, if it is in both m and n should be even. At that time we will write pi by 2. If it is odd, we just write equal to 1. Here in the place of m we have 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by m plus n means 2 plus 2, 4. Again 2 minus 2 we get 0, so we neglect this term. Again we go back to the n minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Again m plus n minus 2 means 4 minus 2. Here 2. Again n minus 2 0. So we won't go further simplification. We just as both are even, we write pi by 2. We write pi by 2. So here 2 2s are 2 3s are. So we get 3 pi a square divided by 8 square units. 3 pi a square divided by 8 square units. Evaluate integral over the curve C xy minus x square into dx plus x square y into dy, where C is the closed curve. C is the closed curve formed by y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to x. In that first one, directly as a line integral. Already we have studied the line integral procedure. And second one, Green's theorem. Green's theorem. So first we see the line integral, then we will move to the Green's theorem. So here first let, which is our m, here x y minus x square, n is equal to x square y. So integral over the curve C, m dx plus n dy. So here we have to draw a graph first. This is the graph, x-axis and y-axis. Here I write O, that is origin 0, 0. Here as they mentioned, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Means 1, 0. This one I call this one as a. So curve. Next, straight line passing through the origin. So here straight line passing through the origin means here it will come 1, 1. So intersection point. Here again B. So back to the reverse order towards the origin. Now define the line integral here. First one is O to A. M dx plus n into dy. Second one is A to B. M dx plus n dy. Third one is B to O. So m dx plus n dy. Now we have to find the first one, that is the O to A. So this one I can call this one as a equation 1. Along OA. Along OA. Yes, which is the common point we are finding in the OA curve. Common point. Which is the common point?
0.
Yes. 0 means you have to mention which term. Y is equal to 0. So differentiation of y is dy is equal to 0. So x varies from 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Now this one we have to substitute in the integral, that is x is equal to 0 to 1 m dx plus n dy, means in this equation wherever y is there, there we have to write 0. So first term it will become 0 minus x square into dx plus second term 0 into dy is also 0. So completely it will become 0. Do the integration of minus x square, that is minus x cube divided by 3. X is equal to 0 to 1. So we get minus 1 by 3. Call this one as a equation 2. Next, along the curve AB, here which is the common point we have, along the curve AB, which is the common point we have. Yes. See the direction.
1.
Yes, x is equal to 1. Differentiation, again dx is equal to 0. Y varies from 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1. Integral y is equal to 0 to 1. Wherever x is there, there we have to write 1 and dx means 0. So y minus 1 dx is 0 plus x square value is 1 into y into dy. So integration y square by 2. Limit varies from 0 to 1. So we get 1 by 2. Call this one as a equation 3. Next, last curve, that is along BO. Along BO, already they have given along BO means it is a straight line passing through the origin. So they have given the value y is equal to x because straight line passing through the origin. That's why we are not finding any similar points here. So here also dy is equal to dx. So as we are writing the whole term in the form of x, so we have to write the values of x. So 1 less than or equal to s less than or equal to 0. So here limit x is equal to 1 to 0, 1 to 0. Here wherever y is there, there we have to write x, and wherever dy is there, there we have to write dx. So here x square minus x square in the first, then dx plus x square into x into dx. So here this term completely it will become 0. Remaining x is equal to 1 to 0 x cube into dx. So here we get integration x power 4 divided by 4. X is equal to 1 to 0. Upper limit 0 minus lower limit means 1 by 4. So value is minus 1 by 4. Call this one as a equation 4. Now substitute this 2, 3, 4 in the equation 1. 2, 3 and 4 in equation 1. So integral over the curve C m dx plus n dy is equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So LCM is, here it will get 4 means LCM is 12. 12 means here minus 4 plus 6 minus 3. So we get minus 1 by 12 is the answer for the line integral. Minus 1 by 12 is the value for the line integral. Now we'll see the last one, that is the second one is Green's theorem. Green's theorem. We know the formula for the Green's theorem here. First we have to write the formula of the Green's theorem. Yes. By Green's theorem. By Green's theorem, integral over the curve C m dx plus n into dy is equal to double time integration of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx into dy. So here RHS if we take, that is integral over the region R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx into dy. In this question, the term which is ending with the dx, that is your m value. So xy minus x square m value, n value is x square into y. Now we have to differentiate partially m with respect to y. So here we get x. Here n with respect to x partially means 2x into y. Next, again substitute in the above RHS side, that is double time integration over the region R 2xy minus x into dx into dy. Now using the property of the changing the order of integration, we can write dy into dx. Here y varies from 0 to x. Next x is equal to limit 0 to 1 according to the diagram. So x is equal to 0 to 1 here. See the diagram, there we will get, we are using here the condition of the changing the order of integration. So here with respect to y means 2x, the integration of y is y square by 2. Again xy. So y varies from 0 to x into dx. So x is equal to 0 to 1. 2 will get cancelled. We have to substitute y is equal to x. So x into x square minus x into x upper limit. Lower limit it will become 0 into dx. So x cube, integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4 minus integration of x square is x cube divided by 3. So x is equal to 0 to 1. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Again LCM is 12. So here 3, here 4. So we get minus 1 by 12.